Okay, Sounds of Decay 3 is a new album from Teitanblood from the Visceral Abyss. Teitanblood, the legendary skull-bruising four-piece from Madrid, are back with their fourth full-length from the Visceral Abyss. And considering the incredible brutality of their music and a career spanning over 2 decades, I couldn't help but wonder, what does it take for four guys to stay this angry, this full of savage, Christ-trouncing vengeance for so long? Were they forced to watch Jesus Christ Superstar, Clockwork Orange style multiple times? Maybe they were sons of tyrannical ministers like the dude in Footloose, never allowed to kick off their Sunday shoes, perhaps? Or were they stuck working in a warehouse with one broken radio playing the Amy Grant station all day long on a shitty speaker? Then again, it could have just been one too many Salvation Army Santas ringing that goddamn bell.
Whatever the reason, we can be grateful as vitriol levels in the Teitanblood camp are as high as ever. From the Visceral Abyss consists of 7 songs, most of which dwell in the 5 to 7 minute range, packed with chainsaw riffs, brain-searing blast beats, demonic guttural vocals, and string-mangling leads. For the uninitiated, poor bastards, starting with the opener, enter the Hypogeum. A hypogeum is an underground tomb, by the way. One need wait for about 40 seconds of echoey intro before a hard pan blast of guitar and a fit of Sandoval-adjacent drumming leads way to a full-scale Storm the Gates eruption around 1 minute 20 seconds. Bass vocalist Ignacio Munez uncorking an ungodly wall as the sounds of hell are truly realized. Let's play a clip. This is Enter the Hypogeum.
Drummer Jay once again brings his A game. J game, possibly? Smashing his snare and bass drums into a putty-like substance with perfect balance of precision and punishment. Strangling Visions kicks off with a couple of doomy downstrokes before blasting into hyperdrive once again. The juxtaposition of Jay's battering percussion and Munoz's Satan-summoning roar sounding gloriously fiendish.
The album's real curiosity is the 14-plus minute epic Tomb, Corpse, Harpux.
It's Haruspex.
Haruspex?
Yeah.
The album's real curiosity is the 14-plus minute epic Tomb, Corpse, Harapex, a welcome return to the 10-minute-plus Teitanblood epics of old. Subsonic riffing slowly fades into focus, percussion building tension at a mid-paced tempo. About 4 minutes in, we're locked at full speed, Munoz somehow executing syncopation with Jay's wild rolls here and there. Around the track's midpoint, the band returns to a slower pace that really allows Jay to stretch out and show his dizzying snare and double bass acumen over squalling reverb-soaked guitars. The last couple of minutes introduce some eerie Well of Souls style synth drama that eventually takes center stage, chiming away as it drops us off in some echoey sarcophagus for the night.
Whatever the source of the band's demons, they have channeled it into a deadly sound. Fans of stuff like Portal, Archgoat, and early Morbid Angel need to get a taste of this particular Spanish fly. The perfect weapon to get those Jehovah's Witnesses off your porch. So let's close it out with Tomb, Corpse, Haruspex.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.